Hey food lovers, it's Mario here. Today we're diving headfirst into the vibrant and delicious world of Moroccan cuisine. Get ready to discover 10 must-try dishes that will make your taste buds dance with joy. And don't forget, if you enjoy this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more delicious content. Alright, let's kick things off with a true Moroccan icon, the mighty tagine. This dish is not just a meal, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of Moroccan culture and tradition. Picture this, tender chunks of lamb or chicken, nestled in a bed of colorful vegetables, maybe some plump dried fruits for sweetness, all kissed with the warmth of ginger, cumin, saffron. The aroma alone is enough to transport you to a bustling Moroccan souk. You start by browning your meat in the bottom of the tagine, that beautiful cone-shaped pot that locks in all the moisture and flavor. This initial step is crucial as it builds the foundation of the dish's rich taste. Then, you layer in your veggies, onions, carrots, maybe some potatoes or sweet potatoes for a little sweetness. Each layer adds its own unique texture and flavor, creating a harmonious blend. And here's the key. You let it all simmer low and slow, allowing those flavors to meld and deepen. The slow cooking process is what makes tagine so special, as it allows the ingredients to fully develop their flavors. The result? An incredibly flavorful stew that practically melts in your mouth. Each bite is a burst of complex flavors, a testament to the time and care put into its preparation. Traditionally, tagine is served with couscous, those tiny little granules of steamed semolina that are just begging to soak up all that delicious sauce. The couscous acts as the perfect canvas for the rich, savory stew. But hey, I'm not gonna lie, I've been known to mop it up with a nice crusty bread too. There's something incredibly satisfying about using bread to capture every last drop of that flavorful sauce. Some folks like to add preserved lemons for a bright, citrusy kick. These lemons add a unique tanginess that cuts through the richness of the stew, offering a refreshing contrast. But no matter how you make it, tagine is a true testament to the magic of Moroccan cooking. It's a dish that brings people together, a celebration of flavors and traditions that have been passed down through generations. Alright, we can't talk about Moroccan food without giving a shout out to the one and only couscous. It's light, fluffy, and goes with just about everything. Now, couscous is actually made from tiny granules of durum wheat semolina. They're steamed until they're perfectly tender and airy, and then they're ready to soak up all those incredible Moroccan flavors. You can serve it as a side dish with tagines, stews, grilled meats, you name it. One of my favorite things about couscous is how versatile it is. So next time you're looking for a delicious and versatile side dish, give couscous a try. Alright, let's switch gears a bit and talk about a dish that's near and dear to my heart. Harira. This isn't just any soup, it's a culinary hug in a bowl, a true comfort food that brings warmth and joy with every spoonful. Now, this is a hearty, flavorful soup that's traditionally eaten during Ramadan, but let me tell you, it's good any time of year. Whether it's a chilly winter evening or a cool summer night, harira fits right in. Imagine this, a rich tomato-based broth, simmered with lentils, chickpeas, and tender pieces of lamb. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. You get a little bit of everything in every spoonful, warmth, spice, and a whole lot of comfort. It's like a symphony of flavors playing in perfect harmony. You start with a base of onions, garlic, and tomatoes cooked down until they're nice and soft. This forms the foundation of the soup, giving it a deep, rich flavor. Then you add your spices, cumin, turmeric, ginger, a touch of cinnamon, all those warm, earthy flavors that make Moroccan food so special. Each spice adds its own unique note to the melody of the soup. The lentils and chickpeas add a wonderful heartiness and texture to the soup, and the lamb just melts in your mouth. It's a combination that makes every bite a delight. Harira is traditionally served with dates on the side, which adds a lovely sweetness that balances out the savory flavors of the soup. The dates provide a perfect counterpoint, making each bite a balanced experience. Chapter 4. Pastilla, a sweet and savory surprise. Now this next dish is for those of you who like a little adventure in their lives. If you enjoy exploring new flavors and textures, then you're in for a treat. Pastilla, sometimes called bistilla, is a Moroccan pie that's both sweet and savory, crunchy and tender. It's a culinary masterpiece that combines contrasting elements into a harmonious dish. So what exactly is in this magical pie? Let's break it down and see what makes it so special. Well, it starts with layers of thin, crispy pastry called worka. These delicate sheets are essential for creating the perfect texture. Inside you'll find a flavorful filling made with shredded chicken or pigeon that's been slow-cooked with spices like saffron, ginger and cinnamon. These spices infuse the meat with a rich, aromatic flavor. But here's where it gets really interesting. The filling is also sweetened with sugar and orange blossom water, giving it a unique and aromatic twist. This combination of sweet and savory is what sets pastilla apart. And to top it all off, the pastilla is dusted with powdered sugar and sometimes decorated with intricate designs using cinnamon or ground almonds. These final touches add both beauty and an extra layer of flavor. It's a dish that will surprise and delight your taste buds with every bite. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just looking to try something new, pastilla is sure to leave a lasting impression. Alright, let's take a break from the heavier dishes and talk about something a little lighter. Zalouk. This is a cooked eggplant and tomato salad that's packed with flavor and absolutely addictive. Think of it as the Moroccan answer to baba ganoush, but with a little extra something special. You start by grilling or roasting eggplant and tomatoes until they're smoky and tender. Then you peel and mash them up with a fork, keeping it nice and chunky. The magic happens when you add the spices: cumin, paprika, garlic and a touch of chili flakes for a little kick. Zalouk is traditionally served as a dip with crusty bread, and it's the perfect way to start a meal. Chapter 6. Mechoui, a feast for the senses. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into a dish that's fit for a king. Mechoui. This is slow-roasted whole lamb, seasoned to perfection and cooked to juicy, fall-off-the-bone tenderness. The lamb is seasoned with a blend of aromatic spices, including cumin, paprika, turmeric, garlic, and ginger. Then it's slowly roasted for hours, allowing the flavors to penetrate every nook and cranny. Mechoui is often served at special occasions and celebrations like weddings and religious holidays, so if you ever get the chance to try mechoui, don't hesitate. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Chapter 7. Pastilla, a delicate dance of flavors. Now we've already talked about pastilla, but there's another version of this beloved Moroccan pie that deserves its time in the spotlight. Pastilla. Like its counterpart, pastilla starts with those delicate layers of worka pastry, brushed with melted butter and layered to create a golden, flaky crust. But inside, you'll often find a filling made with shredded chicken or pigeon, slow-cooked with a fragrant blend of spices like saffron, ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric. Pastilla often incorporates ground almonds into the filling, adding a nutty richness and texture that complements the other flavors beautifully. The sweetness in pastilla often comes from a sprinkle of powdered sugar on top, and sometimes a drizzle of honey for added indulgence. So, whether you try pastilla or pastilla, you're in for a real treat. Chapter 8. Rafissa, comfort food, Moroccan style. Let's talk about comfort food, Moroccan style. Rafissa is a dish that will warm you from the inside out. It's all about tender chicken, flavorful lentils, and a special type of bread called emsman that soaks up all the deliciousness. To make rafissa, you start by cooking chicken with onions, garlic, and a blend of Moroccan spices like ginger, turmeric, and saffron. Lentils are added to the pot, creating a hearty and flavorful base. Then, the shredded mesmin is layered on top, allowing it to soak up all the juices and flavors. The result? A comforting and satisfying dish that's perfect for a family meal or a cozy night in. Chapter 9. Makhouda, the perfect Moroccan street food snack. Alright, let's take a break from the main courses and talk about a Moroccan street food favorite that will have you craving more. Makhouda. These little potato cakes are crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. To make makhouda, you start by boiling potatoes until they're tender. Then you mash them up with a fork, adding in some chopped cilantro, cumin, paprika, and a little bit of chili powder for a kick. The mixture is then shaped into small patties and either deep-fried or pan-fried until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. Makhouda is often sold by street vendors in Morocco, and it's a popular choice for a quick and tasty bite on the go. Chapter 10. Chabakia, a sweet end to a delicious journey. We can't talk about Moroccan cuisine without ending on a sweet note. Chabakia is a traditional Moroccan cookie that's often served during Ramadan and special occasions. These flower-shaped treats are crispy, crunchy, and coated in a sticky, sweet honey syrup that will satisfy your sweet tooth. To make chabakia, you start with a simple dough made from flour, eggs, and a little bit of melted butter. The cookies are then deep fried until they're golden brown and crispy. But the real magic happens when they're dipped in a fragrant honey syrup that's been infused with orange blossom water and sprinkled with sesame seeds. Outro, until next time, happy eating! Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey through Moroccan cuisine. I hope you get a chance to try these amazing dishes and experience the magic of Moroccan cooking for yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tasty adventures. Until next time, happy eating!